Images and videos have confirmed that Iranian President Ebrahim Raisi and his companions were riding a US-manufactured Bell 212 helicopter which suffered a hard landing in Iran's East Azerbaijan province on Sunday. The two-blade aircraft is a medium-sized helicopter that has a 15-seat capacity with 1 pilot and 14 passengers. Iran's President Raisi and Foreign Minister Hossein Abdullahian were on board the helicopter. Among others, it is unclear how many people were on Raisi's helicopter, including flight crew and potential security personnel. However, adverse weather conditions, including heavy fog, were hampering rescue efforts. The shared wreckage of the helicopter, which crashed on Sunday carrying President Raisi and Foreign Minister Hossein Abdullahian, was found early on Monday after an overnight surge in blizzard conditions.
নগদে ৫০০ টাকা বা তার বেশি পেমেন্টে পেতে পারেন ঢাকায় জমিসহ ২০ কোটি টাকার পুরস্কার।